Everyone, it's December 27th. Alright, first thing I want to revisit this one. I think I know why
O
it
sea, la
went wrong
mercadotecnia, no.
yesterday for this. So, this is the DP solution, right? I think it was wrong because I did not do plus
Porque es
equal
que
1.
YouTube a mí no
That's
me
what I
gusta.
think was wrong. And of
Algo
course, there could
estaba,
be other reasons.
lo hicieron en
Um,
la familia.
For example, the
Bueno,
2000 probably is not going to
este,
work. I was just seeing the target is
yo he visto
1000, so
muchos
I
de
say, okay, I get
LeetCode
2000.
y
But
o
I
sea,
don't think that is
actuando,
correct
sí,
as well. But let's first try. I think this shall be plus
es
equal.
que como me gustan todo ese tipo de
Okay, I think this is a
casos,
plus equal. And
puedo
we can try it here. Let's see if plus equal works.
tienes razón.
Ooh, plus equal also doesn't work. Huh. Okay,
Entonces
that's
me voy a
not
mi
expected.
perfil.
I thought the issue was plus equal. Apparently it's not.
Ahí están las historias, ¿no? Esta de se tapó los oídos
Hmm.
para no oír los gritos. Esa fue un caso de aquí
Is
de
it
Estados
really
Unidos
because
donde,
of the...
no sé si te acuerdas de una mujer que metió a sus hijos, dos chiquitos, en el carro y
I
los echó a un
don't
lago,
know. Because in this case...
que se murieron, que no los años que ustedes nacieron, porque andaba con un amante,
That was...
estaba
I thought
casada
it's...
y el amante le dijo que no quería hijos.
Alright, I guess we have to redo this.
Ajá, entonces la
We have
dejó
to redo
casada.
this, unfortunately. Yeah, it's
Ese caso
not
yo
really
estoy muy de
working
acuerdo.
for us.
O sea, ahí es el caso.
128, supposed to be
Todos lados.
256. Yeah, you're missing some stuff, right? I'm just wondering which part I was missing. I go from minus 1000,
Pues marca caballero.
right, to
Bueno, obviamente
plus
hay unos que
1000.
son cortos, la
Numbers,
mayoría. Que yo empezaba a ver eran de 30 minutos y luego en uno de esos dijo, como hace rato,
yeah, I get like the first
se
one,
quejaban de que por qué
right,
los hacía tan cortos, los que los
is
deben hacer
0,
más largos.
right, this is a 0. The first one is 0.
El buen
So
doctor
J
y el
is
mejor marido.
1000.
La desaparición del Bridget.
In this case, J is 1000. Only 1000 works. But
Escribió un libro.
actually, it's nothing. No, it's going to.
Casa
Wait for a second.
aquí, americano.
Alright, I have to redo this other time. Not the time, like after we finish today's, and then we go back. Eesh. A hard problem. Introducing dynamic layout, unleash your potential with the immersive toolbar. Show runner submit buttons. Change preference. Okay. Toolbar, a central hub for key tools such as run code, submit, note. Description, editorial, solution, and submission. Resizable panel. Maximizing. Okay. Okay, so we submit. Okay, it's the same shortcut. I cannot debug, I know. Start timer. Test case. No, what the hell, man? Oh. Okay, test the result. Source code. Oh, okay. Topics discussion. Topics review. Editorial solution. What is this solution? I publish a solution. Submission is your submission. No.
Alguien se suicidó con 40 puñaladas.
Okay.
Dijiste random, quedó
Oh
bien.
wow, look at this. It's a
O sea,
new color.
pero
Layout.
te digo,
Default
la neta
note
no lo
taking
pongo.
debug. Interesting. Alright, let's try this.
Lo pongo a las
Give an
temporadas
integer
porque
array,
casi siempre me equivoco.
nums, and
Todo.
integer k. Find three non-overlapping subarrays. Three non-overlapping subarrays of length k with maximum sum, and return them. Return the result as a list of indices representing the starting position of each interval. If there are multiple answers, return the lexicographically smallest one. So basically 0, so the 1, 2, 2, 6, and 7, 5 corresponding to the starting point. So the total is to the result as a list of indices. Oh, hold on, with maximum sum. Maximum sum. So 1, 2 plus 2, 6 plus 7, 5. Oh yeah, we including all of them.
Pero aún así, aunque trato de estar despierta, luego a veces
So what we want
me hablaba Jorge ya no
is
viernes, después de
very
que
straightforward.
Emilio,
We have a K,
para ellos eran que las 7,
right? We have a K,
como a las
and we
8
need
ya, porque
3
9 de ellos estaban
non-overlapping subarrays of length
y yo
K,
veía la llamada perdida y me decía,
and we want them to be the maximum. So first thing, of course, is
nunca lo pensaron, la verdad. Yo más bien lo tuve que cuando estoy sola me aburro.
1, 2, 1, 2,
Ejemplo,
6,
así de
7,
que
5,
estaba
1.
Fanny también igual.
Right, so what we have is
O ves que aquí luego
K, okay.
no me duermo, o sea,
So let's say if we select this, and if we select this, then we can say we want to find the largest is it's going to be 6 and 7, right? So if I choose this, then the maximum is this. If I choose this, the maximum will be this. And that's all based on here. So maybe what we can do is, you know, starting at a certain position, we want to know how many. So if I say dp, we're starting from I, right? And we have the number of remaining. So so what we want to find, let's say, is dp, you know, 0, start from 0 with 3 left, right? That's what we want to find. We start at 0 and we have 3 left. And to do that, I can say, well, I can try just 0 and this, right? Or I can try this, I can try this, I can try every single one, right? So I can try this, then it should be like, in this case, I say deep, I would say nums 0 plus nums. Okay, we can do a prefix sum, so the sum part will be easier to do. So we got a sum, right? We got a sum, and then plus dp. You know, it's gonna be where we end, right? So when will be the end, and then 2, right? And we're gonna go through every single one of them, and then whenever the one of them succeeds, and then that's it. Let's give this a shot. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like it should be good, shouldn't it? And we will do 8. Okay, so first thing we need actually, I think it'll be easier if we don't do this. We say dp ij is equal to, because I can do like 3 roles, right? I can do 3 roles.
Está muy bueno el refrigerador ese, con sus 12 está grandote.
And say for each one, nah, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, I think 3 roles will be easier to handle. So this will be from nums j to the end. Hey, what are we looking for?
A ver, ahora de los ID. La laptop.
What are we looking for? We're looking for the maximum. But how do we know it is the maximum? So we need to find the maximum. Yeah.
Ya son las 10 de la noche, ¿verdad?
We find the maximum, and I mean, we can always save them.
Ay, mi niña, no me acordé que hay 3 horas de diferencia.
We can save them if it's the max.
¿Ya estaban dormidos? Ah, ok. ¿Tú te acuerdas a qué hora me dormía ya? Por estar platicando a Fresi que me duermo muy temprano, como a las 7 de la noche, ¿verdad?
Oh, we just update. It's the maximum, and then we say
Dice Fresi que
whenever
era
it's the
normal.
maximum, we will
Que vaya viendo un poco.
set it.
Bueno, las tengo ya para.
How do we? So it's just from with I number of
Como a las 4:30, 5.
subarrays left. Alright, this number of subarrays, this number of subarrays left, the max sum we can get. And we can do
No, llego del trabajo. Sí, pero pongo la alarma, pero normalmente me empieza
vector, the inside should be okay. We need an n.
de 9 a 10.
Size, int dp. dp, it's going to be
Bueno, este año
3, 0, 1, 2,
diría.
and
Entonces las tenemos
vector.
ya acabo cansada de la
This
espalda
is going to be n.
y me acuesto. Entonces Fresi es.
Right. So that's the dp.
No,
And
bueno, me acuesto y me tomo las
say
pastillas.
max sum. Oh yeah.
Pero ya me estoy
Wait,
durmiendo.
hold on. We also need to change, because from this, yeah, we need to update for int I equal to 1 is smaller than n plus plus.
Hace como 2 meses.
Oh, prefix sum, we need to change it. Okay, we have to change it. So std vector should be long. Then we could do long. Pre-sum. Right, and then to pre-sum, dot push back nums 0 4. Okay, I can do long for int I equal to 1, I smaller than n I plus plus. Pre-sum dot push back 3 sum I minus 1 plus long num I. Okay, so that's the prefix sum. So we have the prefix sum, we have this. Now what we need to do is the dp. Now we need to do is the dp, and everybody is larger than, yeah, so if it's a 0, that means it has not been done yet. Okay, so we basically have the max sum equal to 0, right? And we need
O sea, normalmente me estoy, ajá, normalmente me estoy durmiendo.
std
Ya me estoy durmiendo, me tomo de una vez 2
vector
pastillas para ya dormirme.
res
Y una
3
pastilla para
as a
dormir.
result. So if I say private void helper,
Que me den el efecto, ajá.
right? So we need is I, J, right? We have I, J, and we have maxsum and vector. We have res,
Sí, bueno, pero ya ves que luego también duermo en las tardes.
and of course we also need
Como 1 hora. Pregúntale a Manishi que me
vector.
dé. Ahorita 2 to 3 hours. Que le decía, ahorita vengo, voy a
Sum,
tomar un nap.
and we
Y bajaba
need
como 2
vector
clases.
std vector
No,
dp.
no, en el día no tomo pastillas.
Alright, so we need all of these. Alright, so basically we say if
Por no dejar. Yo pensaba así que como era como y o sea, no que tanto aburrida, sino no tengo nada que hacer o me pongo a ver la tele, entonces quedo dormida.
we need two things.
Así es como lo he atribuido.
We need two things, unfortunately. We need two things. I need 4. We shall say
No. Y tampoco con ustedes estaba aburrida.
index 0, index 1, index 2, and max sum. Okay. So in that case we don't need this. So what I need is to know the maximum. Oh, hold a second, that's not right. I think this is what you need. When you do this, it has to be another vector inside.
And yesterday you were sleeping all day.
Ayer me dormí todo el día, ¿verdad?
4.
Sí. Bueno. ¿Qué?
I don't know how do I do this? I just say how do I do an array of array of array? Alright. No array vector of vector. What's the best way to do vector vector? Okay. That's not.
If you want to go to sleep, it's fine.
No, vamos otra.
I need initialization.
¿De cuáles eran los que nos gustaban?
Oh, why is this one not working? No match for constructor.
Scroll with your 2 fingers.
¿Qué son feos? Son como...
Yeah, I have this, right? Initial is 3. And then I have vector of... Oh, no, this is not right. This is a vector of std. The vector of int. Right. And 4, and everybody's gonna be 0. Okay, so now the DP will handle everything. So basically at every single part I need to try to get the smallest, right? Okay, then this one does not exist. So dp I j equal to with I number of subarrays left in nums j towards the end. What is the index? Oh, yeah, index 0, index 1, index 2, and a max sum. What for the current? What is for the current state? Okay. Well, we have ij. So with I left, so if I equal to 0, then I just go, we need to fill 0, and equal to 1, we need to fill 1. To 2, we need to fill this, right? So basically, I need to say, start with 0, right? I start with 0, and then we'll take I plus 1, right? And then eventually if it goes 2, right? But of course, we need to first check ij and dp. If I've done it already, right? If I've done it already, then we don't do it. We don't do it. Then we say, if we already found a maximum from ij, so we say if dpi j 0, 1, 2, 3 is larger than 0, then we return. Right? We already done it. Don't need to do it. If it's equal to 0, that means we need to handle it. And the way to handle it is, I know I'm at something, right? And I'm at j. So what I can do is, for j, we add, oh, we need a k as well. We need int k. Okay. So we have k, so I can get the sum, and then get the remaining, right? So we just say for int j, no, for int index equal to j, right? And index plus k, because this plus 1. Oh, if k equal to 2, then it's this plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, right? So minus 1 is smaller than well, should be pre-sum dot size. I'll handle this one later. Okay, so here around is this. This is TV vector. Okay. Alright, so this shall be smaller than n. Right? Plus k minus 1. This should be smaller than n. Plus plus index plus plus. Okay. And int s shall equal to pre-sum. And j minus 1, right? So has to be j is larger than 0. Now index is larger than 0. Index larger than 0. If index larger than 0, then this shall be index plus k minus 1. Alright, k is 2. 1, 2 minus 1. So this prefix sum minus pre-sum index minus 1. Right, so we have the sum. If not, it should be pre-sum index plus 1 plus k minus 1. So this is if index equals 0. Right? So this is the current sum. And then we can call helper. Right, so the helper shall be I plus 1. If I plus 1 is smaller than 3, right? So if I is smaller than 2, I can plus 1. This is not really working. Huh? How? Alright, so if I is smaller than 2, then we can do I this was the j. J shall be index plus k, right? This from this to the end. And we do pre-sum dp and then k. So this will give me the maximum on the remaining. Actually, I do feel I have to do something like this, right? So if I is smaller than 2, then we get the remaining. So we have the current is s, then we get the remaining, right? And once we get the remaining, then we can compute to see if it's bigger than the current, right? Then what we can say is if s plus s is the current plus dp and I plus 1 index plus k. Ooh, that is also another thing to consider, right? Because if index plus k, then it's only if I is smaller than 2, so we have one more left. Or, yeah, so okay, and say I index plus k. Let's. Oh, that's, I guess it's alright, but we need to make sure when we pass the next one, it's valid, right? If it's valid. So basically, this need to be plus k need to be smaller than n, right? The starting point need to be smaller than n. If both satisfies, then we can pass on to the next one. I mean, it will not be able to pass this, but it's fine, right? So now we can say plus this 3, right? If this is larger than dp I j 3, if that's the case, then we swap it. In fact, I think it should be larger or equal to, because we want to prioritize them first. So the basics say dpi j. Can we re-say equal to something? No, I think actually it should be I equal to that's not true. Hold on. Let me think. We need to know the current start. Like, where the current start go? Yes, it is I, right? Because if the 0 is this one, so at the current it should be I shall equal to the current, which is j, which is index, right? And dpi j. So I just set mine, and the remaining shall copy whatever is in there, right? The remaining shall copy that. Right? How do I copy? For int of p equal to I plus 1, right? P smaller than 3p plus plus, and what we do is ijp shall equal to dp I plus 1, right? Index plus k p. I'm just copying this, right? I'm just copying the max for the next one, because I find out that it's better. And then dpi j 3 shall equal to s plus dpi plus 1 index plus k 3. Right, so that's if that's the case. If it's not, then we just ignore, right? Blah and blah. Okay, so this is I is smaller than 2, so there's something left. Now if not, if I is equal to 2, right, then this is the only one. Or if I okay, so else if I is equal to 2, okay, so if I is equal to 2, then that's the last one, right? That's the last one. Then we can do something about it, which is we set the current one, right? We can set the current one, that is the max. Then we just check, we just set the current value. Now if I is not equal to 2, so like I equal to 1, but ID index plus k is already larger than n, that's just no condition, just don't consider that. Then in this case we just say dp I j I plus 2, right, shall equal to index 3 shall equal to s, right? Basically this is the first time we hit something like this, and all the other situation we just don't consider. And then that's it, right? That's it. And from here we will do, we'll call helper, right? Helper will start with 0, and j will start with 0 from 0 to the end, and then we pass pre-sum, pass dp, we'll pass k, right? And we shall return int, but this is a long, right? Oof. So maybe we can do int. I'm probably gonna int here as well. Hopefully this makes sense. And we'll return dp 0 0. Oh, hold on, that's not right. I only need 3. How do I get subarray? Sub vector.
Y sale aceptando todos los datos.
Sub vector. A as sign. The fuck?
I knew that my son was planning on leaving. What took him so long to make the decision to leave her was he was concerned for his girls. Sal loved his girls, and he would do anything for them.
At that point, I think Tashara was fed up, and Tashara, of course, knew Jackie and her husband had went out of town to Vegas. She felt like she had to get revenge to let her know that I'm not the one to play with.
Jackie and Sal came back on that Monday. They came to pick the girls up, and we chit-chatted outside, and they seemed like they had fun.
Okay, this one looks promising, so I say we can say return vector. Wait, hold on. I don't even do a vector. We just do this. dp 0 0 dot begin dp 0 0 dot end -1. Okay. I do not have any confidence in this. Where is the button to run? No, do this to run. Alright. 2 4 6. 2 4 2 4 6. That's completely not right. If I go 2 4 6, what do I have? 0 1 2. So I'm gonna 2 0 1 2 3 4 and 6. That's what I get. Supposed to be 1 2 2 6 and 7 5. This is actually smaller than the other configuration. How is that even possible? Right? It's supposed to be 1 2 2 6 and 5 7. Okay, that's not right. The next one is, of course, is also wrong. 3 5 7. It's not right. 2 4 6. That's fine. Let's debug this. Yeah, this one I think requires a lot of effort. Let's debug. Oop. We need an int k equal to 2. And this will be, I don't need this, I just sol dot max this array. Okay. Alright. Save this. This is 2028. Okay. Alright, let's see the nums. Okay, I don't need nums. I need a presum. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 6, 12, 19, 24, 25. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's go. Shoot. Actually, we probably can just look into this. So I say 0, 0, right? 22. Is that 22? That's 3. This is 13. 16. 22. Yeah, it's 22. But it should be 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 12 is 23. It should be 23. Okay. Let's see where it got wrong. So let's say this one, right? This one from the start, if it's the third. So if it's 0, this shall be... No, this is not right. If it's 0, it should give me... yeah, this is not right. Yeah, that's nothing. Oh, it's because, I think it's because it never hit there. Right, it never hit there. So let's say we do 7. 7 is 0, that's fine. 6. Alright, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 to the end, that's 6, that's correct. From 5, now 5 is not right. From 5 should be 12. Okay, something is not right. So we're talking about I equal to 2. Right, I equal to 2. Oh, I think I miss. No, it's here, right? I equal to 2. J is equal to 5. 5 plus 2, it's smaller than n, because n is 7. Right, n is 7. No, n is 8. Alright, so this should be fine. I have this s. Right, so index is 7. Now index is 5. 5 plus 2 minus 1 is 6. Right, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, minus the 5 minus 1 is 4. Right, 6 minus 4 is 12. Right, s is 12. And then that is equal to 2. It should be s. Huh? It should be S. Why it's 6?
To see her, so she didn't want to just abruptly leave, knowing that she was hitting the road to Florida the following morning. It takes a lot to get her mad. She was definitely getting more annoyed now. So she did feel the need to get revenge.
After the fight with Tashara, Jackie decides to find a safe place for her daughters.
Her and the children, they actually go and stay at a hotel that night.
I think that Jackie was concerned little baby was coming back. She knew little baby was gonna retaliate.
Sal joins the family at the hotel.
He's at the hotel for quite a bit.
Oh, I think I know why. Because I'm going here, and I try the next, and I try the next.
She said, Sal, I'm going home. Let's go ahead and go to sleep. He said, no, I'm going home. I'm not gonna be afraid to sleep in my own house.
Oh, hold on.
He got in the car and he came back to their side of town.
So I say if it's larger or equal to what already is in there.
Jackie on the phone with him because she wants to make sure he gets home safely.
He stopped to get something to eat.
Okay, so I wanted to, right? If I is equal to 2, I is equal to 2, but I still doing this, then everything I need to go is the same. Okay, hold on, I think I know. So basically here I should use the same thing. It's if, okay, and here I think it has to be larger than. Right, otherwise, because I'm keep moving index forward, so this here is the same thing. Shall be if s is larger than dpi j3, right? Then we do this. Right. If it's not larger, then we don't make change. If it's larger, then we will do it. And here is different. Here, this is a copy, right? This is basically a copy, but here I don't have any copy. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Whoa, okay. This might actually work. Huh. All right. 689. All right. So what we want is dp. Right. Use dp. That's basically what it is. It's gonna be yeah, it's only 2-level dp, but it's just a little bit harder to do. Basically, right? Basically, we want to find the indices, right? The indices of the subarray. Indices of the subarray with max sum, right? With max sum under each state, and the state can be expressed as the number of subarrays, used. Okay, so not subarrays left. Number of subarrays used, -1, right? And the index, and the starting index, right? Starting index of the subarray as the starting index of the remaining subarray to use, right? So basically that is our DP. So but definitely ON because we do a prefix sum, and then we definitely need to say 3 times n because that is the helper, right? INJ. We have 3 times n, and within it we also go through the whole thing, right? We go through the whole thing at least k times. I wonder if we need to time, no, not a k times, it's actually n times. Ooh, I think this might time out though, because you call the, alright, let's just, I think it's gonna time out and we might have to optimize it. I'll try it again and just submit it. Alright, that's what I think it runs, but not very sure, so we'll submit. Oh my god, this is I don't really like. Yep, so it times out as I had expected. That's actually good. I actually like this UI. We have the test case here, and then we have this, so we can copy. Oh my goodness, how do I minimize it? Dude, how do I minimize it? Oh, you can use it. Oh, this is a great. Okay, now the only bad thing is I cannot make it smaller. Okay, view less. Write your notes here. What does my note help me? It doesn't help. Alright, anyway. So we know that this method works, okay? Yeah, it's as expected at TLE, but it kind of gives us an idea to optimize. So we shall do bottom up. Usually this type of thing, if you do bottom up, you will find how to make it faster, okay? So if we do bottom up, right? We do bottom up, and we have basically we have, again, let's say we got a 1 2 1 2 6 7 5 1, right? If we do bottom up, that just means we want to go from j from this to this. So I is gonna be 3 towards, no, I gonna be 2 towards 0, and then j gonna be go from no, n minus 1 all the way to 0, right? And for each one of them, right, for each one of them, what we're looking for, right, what we're looking for is it good, right? This one is no good, and then 5 1, then we can record 5 1 I can record, and here, and then yeah basically dpij, right, it's gonna be like, it's this, right, something 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 and something. And if we go right to left, once I hit here, right, so from this to the end, I say this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So I say it's gonna be 6, and this is gonna be 6, right? 6 and 6. Now I hit this one, and I hit this one, I basically move forward, and what I need is to see, because I already know from this towards the end, right? From this towards the end is, I know what it is. Now I say from this towards the end, what is the maximum? And I just need to check the current one, right? So now I can update it. From this towards the end is going to be this, and from this towards the end, yeah, if you do it this way, you go through the whole thing, and then you can keep updating, and you can use the results computed already. Can we do it here the same way? I think we can. I really think we can. Basically, don't go through the whole thing, right? I mean, all I need to do is I compute what I need, right? I have what I need, and I find the remaining, right? So I do this, right? That's one way, because it's the j towards the end, right? Because I want to find from j towards the end what is the biggest. So it's either using the current or not using the current. So this can be simplified. I think what I can do here is option 1. You know what? Let's do solution 2. Right. So basically we say option 1, do not use nums j. Right. If I do not use mj, I can say j3 shall equal to helper. Oh, me. Sorry. Oof. Damn. So we call helper. If I we remain the same I. J plus 1 free sum dp. Okay. And then we do a copy. Right, we do a copy. For
We do watch a subject leave Jeremy's house passing the police officer's home just before the homicide, and we can actually
do not use j, so p equal to I, p smaller than 3, right, p smaller than 3, p plus plus, then dpi j p shall equal to dpi j plus 1 p. Done. Alright, that's the first option. Option 2, use nums j to nums j plus k minus 1. Okay, so now we need this. So we got this, and it's this I. No, it's j. Right, j is larger than 0. If it is, then we say j plus, otherwise we do j. Okay. Now we need to say, because I have the current, right? Now we need to say if I is smaller than 2, j plus k is smaller than n, then we do have the next. Right? So we will do basically helper I plus 1, j plus k, and free sum dp k. Right? And then we'll do if s plus dp plus 1, j plus k. Right? 3 is larger than dp I j 3, then dp I j I is equal to j. Right, because it's the current. And for int p equal to I plus 1, p smaller than 3, p plus plus, right, dp I j p equal to dp I plus 1, j plus k, p. Ooh, this is actually smaller than 4, because I want to get every single thing here. And this is only 3, right? Alright, so once we've done this, dpi j3 equal to s. Do I need some? Okay, that's fine. S plus dpi plus 1 j plus k and 3. Else if I is equal to 2. Alright, if I is equal to 2, what do we do? Well, it depends. If this is larger than dp I j 3. Alright, now we say dpi j I equal to j dp I j 3 to s. Okay. So basically I'll delete.
We're 2 years in, and I miss my son more than Milrose can express. However,
Y entonces la Jackie ya se queda
I'm
con
so
su lower her. Bueno, yo creo que
Yeah, it's still the dp. Yeah, but we can. Yeah, we can use the computer, still the dp solution, but without unnecessary loop within the recursion. I mean, if you really think about it, this is actually not that complicated. Alright, let's see if it works. Ooh. Which one? The first one. What was the issue? I don't know. Wait, is I too big or I smaller than 2? I do this I plus 1, right? And oh, I know this j plus 1 gets into issue. So if I do not use this, but it has to have a condition. If j plus 1 is smaller than n, then we do this. Hold on. So we'll do this, and then we'll do this. Okay, try it again.
no sé, pero parece que es the front door.
What the hell?
Mañana lo regresamos.
This has to be inside.
Jimbo. ¿No quieres esas sandalias, Jimbo?
Try it again.
Yo pensando que le encantaban, hasta le compré.
Huh. that's true. So, okay. So J, it only works if plus K is smaller than N. So this is the overarching, right? If this is the overarching, we can put this one. So basically we have these here, right? And this whole thing. Actually, no. This is not right. We'll put this entire thing under here. Okay? And we don't have to do this. Right? If it's smaller than, if it's equal to, smaller than 2, and then we can just say else, because that's the only condition. Right? If j plus k is larger than n, then there's no way that we can do this option anyway, right? And if we cannot do it in this, then yeah, it's just not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. There's option 1, option 2. Okay, let's try one more time. Ugh. So the third case is correct, but the previous cases are bad. Oh wow, this is pretty good. 2, 4, 6. Oh man, we have to fit in the first. Okay, so we do option 2 first. Alright. So we'll call this as option 1 to use it, and option 2 to not use it. That shall work. How, I don't understand. Like, how? How just by swapping them like that? It doesn't make any sense. How is this? I don't understand. It should be the same. What? Okay, you're telling me I cannot do that. And then I'm using it, so it has to be larger equal to. I have to be larger equal to. Alright. Try it one more time. There you go. Still takes some time, so we got a wrong answer now. Shoot. Fuck me. Now we got a wrong answer. Should be 147. I got a 036. So basically my choice is 0, 7, 13, 20, 0, 1, 2, 3, 19, 19, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 1, 1. But the answer shall be 13, 20, 19, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 19, 2, 10, and a 1, 1, 19. So if you think about it, this, 19, 19, 19, this. So it's 19 compared to 7. Yeah, this is better. I don't quite understand how this is possible. I don't know. Oh, I think this should be minus smaller equal to. Hold on. Minus 1 smaller. It shall be j plus k minus 1. Why you kept saying j plus k? No, it is j plus k. It is j plus k. Because j plus k is the next one, right? So the j plus k, then you do j plus k, because you know j plus k is smaller than n, right? And then the current is j plus k minus 1. Yeah, this is right. And we say if I is smaller than 2, when the j plus k is smaller than n, then I can do j plus k. And I got this value and say if the current plus this, right, is larger or equal to what I already got, and I reset this to this, and I update. Yeah, it looks right to me. Lord, I have to redo this. Yeah, I don't think I changed anything, so we can just go ahead and then run it. Ooh. Okay, let's do this. Coming back F5. Oh, shoot. My bad. Oh. My bad. no, hold on. Alright, there's a breakpoint. I rebuild it. Rerun it. You're kidding me. What the hell happened? What? Wait, what in the world? My debugger is not working anymore. Shit. I don't have any time to handle this. Come on, man. What the hell? What in the name? Well, for one thing, let me copy and paste this whole thing because I think I did make some changes. No, that's not this one. Oh, screw me. I know why. This is I do a solution 2. This should be solution 2. That's why. Yeah, I was like, why this doesn't work anymore? As simple as that. Okay, now it shall work. Jesus. Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay, we are just going to go down the next one, and I am going to inspect. Alright, so this is what we're looking for. Right, and then we go down. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 should be 0. That's good. 8 should be 0. That's good. 7. Right? This is wrong. Okay? This is wrong. Because 7. Did I not even do 7? How that's I shall do 7 already. Why 7 is not done? Because I do this one first. Right? Because every time I come in j plus 1, j plus 1, j plus 1, j plus 1. Made me feel like it's probably easier to do it bottom up, but I'm already deeply invested in the top-down solution. I gotta get it. You know, there's no other way. I gotta get it. But why would this? Look at this. I have 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? I have 6. Basically means I have 6. I is equal to 2, so I have 2, 6. Right? So I have 2, 6 coming in. Okay. So 2, 6 coming in. 6 plus 3. 2, 6. 2, 7. 2, 7. Ooh. I see. I have 2, 7 comes in. I think I know why. So this is just to get to S, right? It's a very different. Yes, it's a very different. So basically, I shall say, if this minus 1, ugh, what did you do, man? What did you do? If this minus 1 is smaller, then I can do this, right? But then here I shall still do, I shall still do and j plus k is smaller than n, right? Because I am going to go for the next one, right? So I have this, because this is a different. This condition is to check, is to get S, right? If I cannot get S, I don't even consider it. This is different, which means this has to be else if I is equal to 2, right? Because I is not 2, I don't use this. Okay, okie dokie. Okie dokie. This is, I don't even know how many times we've tried. We've tried so many times, and there we go. I do believe this one shall work. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Is it good? It's absolutely dog shit. Okay? It's absolutely dog shit. But, hey. Oh, analyze complexity. Huh. That's cool. That is pretty cool. I mean, I know it's ON, but you know, it's just the recursion and stuff. Man, you gotta do about. I mean, I have so many piled up, dude. I don't know. I have too many piled up. Oh boy, this is. I mean, I don't think it's. Oh Lord, I don't think that's difficult. Right? It's really not that difficult. It's just C++ is tripping me up for sure. Right? I could have done a lot better job. C++ is tripping me up. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna read the tutorial for now. I can upvote it. What? Take away upvote topic companies. Oh, here. Then they put at the bottom. Save feedback. All right. It's not bad, right? It's not bad, but man, I gotta do it again. It's not hard. Again, it's not that hard. It's just, you know. I think bottom up probably can make it a lot easier. I believe bottom up will make it a lot easier. But hey, it is for this today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.